Comrades, this is Carl from Ushanka with my last precious metals video for you. As you know, for 8 years now, I've been putting every excess $1 bill into my Obama Cuss Jar. I've been doing this since he was elected, and after 8 years, I've accumulated quite a bit of savings. I've put most of the money into precious metals and have used this project to learn more about precious metals investing. In 8 years, I have saved $13,555. The savings plan was always to accumulate dollar bills in my Obama Cuss Jar for as long as Obama was in office. I later decided to convert the cash into precious metals when possible. You can see in the video that my final inventory is 6 ounces of gold, 1 ounce of platinum, and 140 ounces of silver. Plus in the cash in the jar and in the bank account I set up specifically for this project. It is important to repeat, I've lost money. I'm easily down several $100s as I have spent more for most of these items than their current value. Gains would have been nice, but that wasn't the objective. Despite my losses, I am glad I stuck with this side project. I've learned a lot about precious metals, and I've found a fun way to save. I still plan to sell these coins. The plan is to spend money on either a hobby or a vacation. Here is the updated ratio chart, current as of January 1, 2017. It shows a total of 157 months of ratio data, or 13 years and 1 month, plotted with the silver to gold ratio at the beginning of each month. As you can see, a major dip occurred in 2016. You'll want to go back to my videos for the ratio trading strategies, but here is my take. Dips may be bad in other investing strategies, but major movement in this ratio is always good for ratio traders. My strategy suggested buying silver when the ratio was 10 over the average. That was 68 to 1 back then. That means you would have accumulated silver through 2015 and 2016. Today the ratio is 70.8, so you could, or you still would be buying silver. When the ratio reaches 10 under the average, today that would be 51 to 1, you trade your silver for gold and continue to accumulate gold while the ratio stayed at or under 51. When the ratio is within 10 of the average, high or low, you'd accumulate cash. Go back to my earlier videos to see how the strategy translates into higher returns. It is my opinion that you are not investing if you buy and hold precious metals. But with a ratio strategy, one can actually generate modest returns, and the term investing is then accurate. For those who wish to start a ratio investment plan, I'd suggest 2 things. First, put your own spreadsheet together and select the historical timeline that works best for you. I started with 10 years, but that may be too long for some or too short for others. Second, determine how many trades per year you are willing to do, then use your chart to find the right ratio trade triggers that will deliver those trades. With my triggers set at 10 over and below the average, this chart shows a total of 5 trades over a period of 13 years. My Obama Cuss Jar has been a fun project, and I hope you've enjoyed my progress reports. Take care and make America great again.